Double fault, a common hiccup in tennis and language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, double fault, a term that finds its roots in the tennis court but also serves as a great example of how English can borrow terms from specific domains and integrate them into everyday language. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the definition but also how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. Double fault originates from the sport of tennis. In tennis, a serve must land within the bounds of the correct service box. If the player fails to do this twice in a row, it is called a double fault, resulting in the loss of a point. In broader English usage, double fault can metaphorically describe a situation where an individual makes two mistakes in succession, particularly when given two opportunities to get something right. It implies a lost opportunity due to consecutive errors. Let's see how this term plays out in daily conversations. In a business meeting, if someone misunderstands a question and provides the wrong data twice, a colleague might say, "That's a double fault on our part. We'll need to check our facts again." When learning a new skill, if you make the same mistake repeatedly, a coach might encourage you by saying, "Don't worry about the double fault. Focus on nailing it the next time." And there we have it. Double fault is not just a tennis term but also a handy phrase in English that aptly describes back-to-back mistakes. Remember, making a double fault isn't the end of the world. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep practicing, and you'll reduce the chances of committing a double fault in language and life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language insights. See you next time.